Guys, this is Northsider, and today I'm doing the unboxing video of my most recent ones on MarketBiz.com. Now, I want these items a couple weeks back. I just didn't have time to do the video, but here it is, guys. My first one is Sly Profit mask that I won on April the 8th, and it got here on the 16th. I won this for 67 cents. Here it is, guys. Get this open. Oh. Here's the invoice from Nscared.com. I chose the LE Gray Tone. It is. Let's get out the box. Take a look at it. Great looking mask. I never owned a Sly, so it's my first one. I heard real good things about it, so that's why I went and got this one here. That's the first one. Now, second one, I won, actually it was an O-ring kit that I won on the 10th for 45 cents, but I emailed Mike and asked him if he could swap it for a chrono, which I already opened the bag. Chrono that I got, I really needed one, so here it is. And I want this again for 45 cents. Alright, and the third one up. Let's see. I want this here on the 11th. Some HK cleats, and they got here on the 18th, and I won these for $2.25. Here's the invoice, also from Nscared.com, and some stickers. Cool. Here's the cleats. I already own a pair of these, so great cleats, real comfortable. So that's why I picked another one. Great cleats. If you get a chance, get a pair. So that's it, guys. Thanks for watching. Check it out, MarketBiz.com. Thanks.